Hi everyone, this is Dutch with the Mystic Mountain Homestead, and today we're going to be discussing how to use your screen on the Bluetti Ac200max 200. So on the home settings here, you got the PV. It shows you the input of the voltage and the input of the power watts or wattage. Same thing on the grid side, voltage and input power. On the BMS here, or on the battery in this where it shows the 100%, you click on it and it'll take you and show you the BMS. It's your battery management system. It shows you each one of the batteries and they're all good. They're at 100% right now. Once it gets to 100%, it throttles down. The inverter does to 0. But it does not throttle it down to 250 watts, which, like I've been seeing in the comments down below, that people are saying that it throttles down to 250 watts. Mine, it was on there a second ago, but it just hit 100%, so it dropped when it hit 100%. It's at 99%, and it was still having charge. This is at 100%, it was still saying charge, and this is at 100%, it was still saying charge, and this was only at 99%. And they all said charge. There was 780 watts coming in on this side still when it was at 99%. And there was 140 watts coming in on this side still. If you want to turn on your outlets, you're going to need to just push the little on button there. Same thing on the DC side. You just click it, hit on or off. If you need to get into your settings, you just go to settings. And it shows you you can change your language. It shows you the AC output voltage, and then it has the AC output actual frequency. You can change it to 50 hertz or 60 hertz. So that way, if it depends on what country you're in, or what kind of devices you're using, I guess. And then it has the DC input source. So that way, if you decide to charge it from another source, like off your car or something else, then you change it to other instead of PV. There's an eco mode. You just hit on and off on that. I keep mine off. It shuts the whole thing down if it's not being used after a certain amount of time. It has this Bluetooth state in here. It shows that way. It shows if you're connected or disconnected. Mine is on right now, but it's disconnected because I don't have anything connected to it right now. And there's the buzzer settings, touch sound, and then the restore factory settings. This is a bright backlight brightness. I got mine on the lowest setting. You can just click on that, just like the other stuff. That's the brightness right there. And then that's the timer right there for how long it actually stays on. I got it on the lowest setting there. That's 30 seconds. That's it for the setting area. If you need to check your alarm or anything to see if there's any things that's gone off during the day when you've been gone, you can just go in here and check. Clear it out when you get done. All the data and everything for the product information, the inverter and charger info, the battery management system for maintenance, I guess, and then the alarm history right here. And you can go to the next page, back right here, or clear. But once again, like I was saying, when it was at 99% earlier, it was still showing 780 watts from the PV side and 140 from the grid side. So and it did not throttle down to 250. It throttled down all the way to 0 once it was fully charged. But until then, it was still getting the power from the sun that was allotted. If I'm misunderstanding something there, please comment down below and let me know. This is all new to me as well. I'm just learning as I go. I've done research, reading, things like that. That's why I decided to go with the Bluetti unit. I thought it was, when I was looking at installing an actual solar inverter and all that kind of stuff into the RV myself, I was like, no, this is going to be real technical. You can do it, but you really need someone that's a trained professional. That way you don't burn your place down or do something wrong. So after I did my research and watched some other videos and stuff, I decided to go with the Bluetti. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with a friend. Until next time, y'all.